Hi guys, quick video. I just wanted to mention that due to the coronavirus, there's a lot of things that are happening. First of all, it seems that Canon and Polaris and Kawasaki as well, I just saw them. They are doing a new promotions. So instead of, I've made a video in the past already where I'm talking about how usually during June, well, not June, more like July, August, and September, Polaris and Canam always do like $3,000, $5,000 discount, and you can get discounts up to $10,000. So I've made a video like that. So it seems that due to the coronavirus, everything in terms of sales is going flat completely, which means that the brands have decided to actually launch their deals ahead of time, ahead of schedule for two reasons. One, to help the economy to be boosted again, and two, because there's just no activity at all. Their sales are gone completely flat right now due to that. So for the people that are thinking of getting a Can-Am this year and that they were thinking of getting it, right now they're having a bunch of different. So for example, here I have the example of Polaris Concord. They're selling, usually it's 19,800 something. Well, they dropped it for the 2020 to 16,000 for the Can-Am X3 XRS. So guys, if you guys are thinking of getting a Can-Am or even a Razor is doing the exact same thing. Kawasaki, I saw them and I just confirmed they're doing the exact same thing as well. So check with your dealers right now. They're dropping, especially if you get into the official websites, so Polaris or Can-Am, they are dropping their prices due to the coronavirus, due to the lack of activity and lack of sales. They advance the promotional part. So if you're thinking of getting a UTV, this is the time. I know I'm not telling you guys to get out. Don't get out. Stay at home. But give them a phone call. You can do the transaction over phone. And that will allow you to acquire a vehicle to a really discounted price. I'm pretty sure they're going to keep doing that until the end of August as well. They're just going to move the entire promotion just to reboost their sales. But take advantage of it. Stock is going to run low. People are going to take advantage of this. So contact your dealership. They will have some really good promotions right now, especially in California due to the lockdown. Other things, as I mentioned on my previous video, I'm giving away some accessories. So remember, if you want to get that giveaway, enter the giveaway. It's free. The only thing you need to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel. On the comments, put your Instagram name. Follow me on Instagram, and then from there, there's a picture on the giveaway of the mirrors. Just tag two people, and then I will, raffle that specific accessory. There's more accessories coming in. So I'm going to be doing more raffles to boost people. I really like and appreciate the fact that a lot of you guys have been supporting my channel, watching my videos, subscribing and sharing them with your teams, with your groups and all that. So that I really appreciate a lot. It allows me to really get more accessories or keep acquiring videos, video cameras or stuff like that to really keep writing and keep sharing the experience, but also sharing all the tips and all that information. So I really appreciate that, guys. So hopefully you will keep doing so and keep supporting me. It really helps me out a lot. The other thing is, as I mentioned, add me to Instagram. If you want to ride with us, ride with me. Even if you don't have a Can-Am or a UTV, let me know. As I mentioned, one of the new dynamics is to actually invite someone that doesn't have a UTV so they can experience what riding UTV is. So do that, and if you have a UTV and you want to ride with us and you're around California, let us know. We have a group down south near San Diego and LA. We have another group here in NorCal, and then we have other people in Vegas as well. So we usually try to gather at least once or twice a month. So if you guys want to be riding with us, be on the YouTube videos and all, and make sure to add me, and I will add you to the group that I have, and I have multiple groups on Instagram where I'm sharing the rides and all that. So hopefully to see you there. And then the other thing is for the people that are asking why is it so slow right now on Amazon, well, Amazon is actually deprioritizing any product that it's not sanitizers, medicine, and toilet paper. So everything else is being deprioritized, and it's going to be shipping later on, or it's going to be slower, it's not going to be as fast. So just keep up, take advantage of the sales right now. If you want a new UTV, or if you want your first UTV, add me. Make sure you enter the giveaways. I'm going to be giving away a lot of new stuff. I'm going to be doing a lot of new videos. I'm going to be doing rides. I'm going to be doing stalls. I'm going to be doing getting ready for Pismo, getting your vehicle ready for Pismo, maintenance as well, oil change. A lot of new videos are coming in. So hopefully that I can count with your support, sharing the videos that I've been posting, and then see you next time.